The beat detector is an absolute game changer if you are editing a music video, if you're editing based on a song, and if you're using a specific piece of music to really cut on beat and use those beats and snares to really accentuate the edit, right? We all do this. It always looks so much better and feels so much better. Going through the entire music video and putting all the markers in the beats is quite time consuming, and this makes life very difficult. So this one just automates that process where you just put song here and I'll just click load music, and it's going to detect the music that is in the track. And once that is done, I can go through and set up my settings here. I'll go with the onset transients. So I'm just going to go with detect beats. I'm going to mark every beat, and I have one marker every beat evenly. If you want to subdivide, where let's say you want to have multiple cuts between each beat, you can add multiple markers to subdivide the beats, right? But here I'm just going to turn that off. And once that is ready and I've had all my settings corrected, I'm just going to press here, detect beats, and it's going to take 30 seconds or so to detect all the beats and analyze everything, and it's going to start putting in the markers. All right, it's ready. It detected all the beats. It tells you it's 79.5 beats on average, and it found 291 different beats. And here I can just go and press create 291 markers, and as you can see, it's going to immediately start and put in all the markers. If you zoom in here, you'll see it's exactly on beat for every single one. So I'm just going to play this for you. Yeah, and once the markers are up, if you just click here and cut it beats, and it's going to cut at all the beats. Yeah, that should be it. And if you don't want them anymore, just click delete markers, and it's just going to delete all the markers. And that's it for this feature.